Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to build a PC. Firstly, prepare your case. Remove all panels from your PC case and keep them in the box for safe storage. Now let's install your fans. Position the fans so there's balanced airflow, typically 2 fans in front to draw air, at least 1 on the rear to blow air out. Now let's install the motherboard. Check for motherboard standoffs and CPU cutouts. Install CPU, cooler backplates or M2 drives if needed. Carefully place the motherboard inside, align with standoffs and secure with screws. Attach the processor and power supply unit on the motherboard. Refer to component manuals for instructions. Now, to install the RAM, open the latches, align the RAM module notches with a slot and press down until it clicks. Next, let's install the CPU cooler. Apply a small pea-sized amount of your cooler, doesn't have to be pre-applied fast. Follow your cooler's instructions, attaching the cooler without the fan, reattach the fan afterward and plug it into the CPU fan slot. Now, mount your SSD or HDD in the case storage base. Ensure ports face cable cutouts for easy cable routing. Place the power supply finally fan downwards or towards ventilation areas, and then you connect the USB and audio headers according to the motherboard layout. And that's it. Now all you have to do is install a Windows and start using your newly built PC. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.